Dear students of mathematics, Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will study the definition of symmetric difference of two sets. The symmetric difference of two sets, let say we have two sets A and B. Then the symmetric difference of these two sets A and B is denoted by A delta B and is defined as it is the collection of those elements X such that X belongs to A union B, but X does not belong to A intersection B. This is the definition of symmetric difference of two sets A and B. Let us understand it by an example. Let's say I take two sets. Let A is the set of the multiples of 2. Let's say 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 plus minus 6 plus minus 8 plus minus 10 up to so on. And I take another set B. B is the multiples of 3. So it will contain the elements 0 plus minus 3 plus minus 6 plus minus 9 plus minus 12 up to so on. So then the symmetric difference of these two sets A and B is obtained A delta B, which is obtained by taking those elements which are belongs to the A union B but does not belongs to A intersection B. So here we will just collect those elements of A and those elements of B which are not common, because here it is a clear definition: the elements which belongs to A union B but does not belongs to A intersection B. So it's mean we just delete the elements which are common in A and B, and writing all the elements, just we will delete those elements which are common in A and B. So here note that 0 is common, so it will be excluded. So now plus minus 2 plus minus 3 plus minus 4. Here note that plus minus 6 is common in both the sets, so it will be deleted. After that plus minus 8 and then plus minus 10. Similarly, the element plus minus 12 will also be excluded because it is also common in both the sets. So hence the next element will be the plus minus 14 and up to so on. So continuing in this way, this is the symmetric difference of A and B. Allah Hafiz.